Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I thought we would do like some kind of purple rainbow, really early spring kind of makeup look. This is what I came up with. So first, my brows are done, and also I have some concealer on my lids as a primer for my eyeshadows. And for this look, I thought I would use my Avani Gregg palette by Morphe. The first shade I'm going to use is the shade Fishy. I'm just going to use like a smudge brush, like a packing brush, and I'm just going to dab it on the first third of my lid. So I'm just gonna mention that like this, I love this palette for the shades that are in there, but all of the shades that I use are always so powdery and actually kind of hard to blend. They're the kind of shade that like when you blend it, it just kind of disappears on you, so you really have to pack it on and be really careful when it's time to blend. But it packs on really well, so that's why I still use this palette. That's why I still like it. Anyways, that's what the first shade should look like on your lids. The second shade I used was Maddie Don't Like, and I use the same kind of brush again to pack on the shade in the middle part of my lid. So basically you want to overlap the dark purple shade onto the light bluish purple shade on the lid, just so like it blends in between. But like I said, like it's a bit hard to blend, so you have to kind of go back and forth between the two shades and just tap it on just so it looks blended. So basically you just want to put it on both eyes, of course, and yeah, just tap and make it pigmented. Honestly, the shades are really pigmented. Just make sure that like it's pretty uniform everywhere. Like here you can see like I'm going in between the two shades to kind of make it blend a little bit, but I do go back a little bit also, and I'm just blending the edges so it doesn't look too harsh. For the last shade, I use the shade I Cry from the palette. This is like a dark blue, and of course I use the same kind of brush again. It's just like a smudge brush, like it really packs on the color really well, so that's why I like these brushes. So I'm just putting in my third part of my eye, really the outer corner, and again I'm just using the same technique, just packing it on, and then after that I'm going to blend it. So just make sure you pack it on. Honestly, the shade was the hardest to work with because it kind of came off a bit patchy. So you just have to be careful. And then after that, I use a small blending brush to start blending my outer corners. With this shade, like I had to go back and forth a lot. Meaning I had to pack it on and then blend, pack it on and blend. And with the blue shade also, I go a little bit above the shade Maddie Don't Like, just so like it gives me a more smoky eye effect. So yeah, just take your time blending. It took me a while, but honestly the end result is so worth it. Like the shade combination all together just look so good. Also, what you can do is get like a big blending brush with no product on it and just blend, and after that just go back and pack on the blue shade. Make sure there's no gaps, make sure it's not like there's no sparse places, and just blend again a little bit and everything will be nice and dandy. Here you can see I'm just blending just to make sure like the inner corner all the way to the outer corner is well blended. Also in between the shades of the purple rainbow that I created. Yeah, just make sure everything is well blended. I kind of go a bit high up into the brows just to make it more flared out. Here I did add some lashes and I did my face makeup. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to start with the shade I Cry to put it on the outer corner. Basically, I'm just going to follow the same pattern that I have on my lids on my lower lash line. So first, of course, I go with the shade I Cry in the outer corner. After that, I go with the shade Maddie Don't Like and put it in the middle and just pack it on. You can just use the same brush that you had before that already has the shade in it, so everything is fine. So just make sure to pack it on really well so it actually shows with your makeup. And then for the inner corner, I'm just gonna use this shade Fishy again for the inner corner. I'm actually putting it like in the inner tear duct also and the lower lash line, just so everything is like connected all together. And here I'm just removing some of the fallout that I had on my face, and basically your makeup should look something like this. So for my lashes, I actually used the mascara from Maybelline, Sky High mascara from Maybelline, and this is what I use for my lower lashes. I did use this mascara for my top lashes also, just so you guys know. And then for my lips, I used a lot of things for my lips because I didn't know I wanted like some kind of nude shade. So basically I used all lip pencil by Colourpop. I used BFF4, BFF3, BFF, Control, and also use my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Abu Dhabi. Everything will be down below in the order that I used them. I just don't remember right now because this is a lot and I just don't remember. But basically I just use all of this on top of each other just to make like the perfect nude lip, just so you guys know. And basically it should just look like this, and this is basically the finished look. Here I'm just going to do my hair, brush it a little bit, and this is it. So like I said, everything that I use will be down below in the description box. If you guys want to know what I use on my face also, it will be down below. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this early spring kind of makeup purple rainbow look, and I'll see you next time guys. Bye.